Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be doing a very highly requested full twist tutorial. For this I will be demonstrating how I do my full twists, and I will be giving you guys tips on how to perhaps improve your full twist or help you to achieve your full twist. I would just like to say that I am not a qualified level 5 coach at all. However, I am a level 5 athlete and can do a full twist. I know I'm not perfect at all. I will just be giving you guys tips on how I got my full twist and what has helped me with my twisting. Secondly, I would advise that you ask parental permission before attempting this, and I would also suggest that you do not attempt it on mats on the ground, on flat ground, until you have it consistently and safely on a sprung floor. I also advise having it on the trampoline and an air track before you attempt it on the ground or a sprung floor. Also, the tips I give in this video can help you guys to get your full twist on the trampoline or an air track as well. Before we actually do any twisting or tumbling, we must warm up first, so let's do that. Alright, so to be able to do a full twist, it is really important that you already have a very high and neat layout. When doing a layout, you must make sure that your body position is perfect. Otherwise, this is going to make your full twists very hard to do. In a layout, you want to rise up as you take off out of your round off or back handspring. You want to push your hips forward just a little bit. Then, as you go upside down, you want to snap into a dish position. This uses a hip drive type of movement, so like this. Okay? You want to make sure that you don't drop your shoulders back and you don't tuck your head back, because if you do that, your layout will end up looking like a whip. This is what happens when you chuck your head back and you drop your shoulders back. Feet should be behind the shoulders, not in front. Head and shoulders are back. Arms are not up. Body is not dished or tight. This also affects the form of your body shape, your legs, your arms, and your overall layout. Okay? When doing a layout, you want to ride up, push your hips out, snap into a dish position, and make sure that you don't chuck your head back. This is what a layout should look like. Feet are slightly behind shoulders, arms are up, hips are pushed out, body is nice and straight and dished. Could be straighter but passes through a straight, not piked position. Next, I'm going to talk about block angles. So, a block angle is the angle that you come out of either your round off or your back handspring as you go into a flipping skill such as a tuck, layout, whip, twist, double, anything really. So, when you do a round off back handspring, the aim is to land with your feet slightly in front of you, leaning back quite a little bit, so as if you were sitting down onto a chair, and if you didn't go, you would fall over because of how you're sitting. Now, in a layout or a tuck, the goal is to come out of your round off or back handspring with your feet behind you. This automatically forces you to drive up so that you can get over. If your feet are behind you, it'll help improve your height and hip drive. If your feet are in front of you, you're automatically going to go straight back. So, doing a tuck, you aim to be at about this position with your feet behind you. Layout, maybe a little bit lower. Whereas when you're doing fulls and doubles, your block angle has to be quite low. This is because you need enough time to pull up and twist in your spin. If you're taking off the ground like this, you're not going to have as much time to twist as you would if you came off the ground like this, okay? So it's very important that you start your layouts and full twists with your feet behind you as you pull up and then dish. Next, I would like to say that it is really up to you what you prefer, but I recommend doing a round off back handspring full because back handspring can give you more power. However, it's just what you feel more comfortable with. Next, I'm going to demonstrate a full twist. I'd like to point out the block angle, where my arms are, and my body shape. Nice deep block angle, but could be lower. Feet are behind shoulders on takeoff. Arms are up. Straight and tight body, but could be more dished. Passes through in a dish position, not piked or arched. Obviously my full twists are not perfect at all, but I'm working on that, and thanks to the tips that my coaches have given me, I've been able to improve my falls a lot. In a full twist, the most important components are height and body shape. So when doing a full, you want to make sure that you have a nice block angle, you ride up, your arms should be up, they should not go automatically to here. You need to set and ride up and get height before you twist. When you twist, it is important that you dish your body. Do not arch your body or put it to the side like this, because that will affect how well you twist and probably your form as well. Your legs might move as you're not squeezing. So make sure you pull up and in. Stop barking at me. Make sure you pull up and in a nice dish position. When you twist, you want to bring your shoulders and your hips across your body together as if they are in a line, because if you twist with just your shoulders, your hips will be late and you may not land all the way around, which is what I tend to do in my doubles, so that's why I need to work on that. So making sure that you pull up, have a nice block angle, use your arms, and then pull in into a nice dish position, bringing your shoulders and your hips across your body as well. Twisting really does come down to practice and drills. You have to do a lot to help yourself. So before you do attempt your full twist, make sure you have a really nice layout, and you should probably have a full on the trampoline first. However, if you're learning it on a trampoline, trampolines can be harder because you may not have enough room to round off into it. Also, the mat of a trampoline dips, so that makes it hard for you to pull up because you have to wait for the springs to go up, you know what I mean. But yeah, so making sure that you do drills. I really recommend being coached by a professional to learn a full twist, because I did injure myself trying it at home without any coaches when I first attempted it, and then when I started cheerleading, my coach taught me how to do it properly, and that's how I have learned how to do a full twist. So I'm really grateful for that. Also, it just comes down to practice, 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 and don't give up, because practice makes progress, and your body and your muscles then get into muscle memory, and it gets easier and easier. But you've got to make sure you're doing it right. Don't just chuck the skill, don't just whip it back, don't pull to the side. Stay nice and tight, squeeze everything in your body, and you'll eventually get it, okay? So don't give up. Falls are very hard, that's why they're level 5, and yeah, you just got to keep pushing and believing in yourself. I would also like to say that doubles are also very hard, and especially if you don't have your full twist correctly, doubles can be very hard to do. I know that I struggle with my doubles because I originally tried to teach myself how to full and got into some bad habits. However, I can land my double on a sprung floor now, thanks to my coach who has taught me how to twist properly. But like I said, it's a work in progress, and I still can't do it perfectly because practice makes progress, and I still need to practice a lot more. So yeah, anyways, I hope these tips helped you to achieve your full, or to improve it, or gave you more confidence. And if it did, let me know. If there's anything else you would like me to help you guys with, let me know that as well. I really hope that this can give you an insight as to how to do a full, and I hope that these will help you to improve your full. I would also like to say that once again, I'm not a coach, I'm not a professional. I'm just telling you tips that have helped me and that I have been taught, so hopefully this will help you guys. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down below if you would like me to do more tutorials, or if this tutorial helped you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye!